Hi guys, let's take a look at this micro RC helicopter, the S100 by Syma. Let's go ahead and get into the box, see what's all in there. Alright, so you get the remote control, 3.5 channel. This here is accelerate, so that's to ascend, take off, down to descend and land. We have the power button, just press it in, it's a spring loaded, it locks in place to turn it on, and same, just release it. Have your left spin, right spin, forward, backward flight. You don't have any side to side on this left control. You do have trim adjustments here, and I believe the auto takeoff and land. We'll test that out in a minute. Like a little tiny fake landing pad. This was on the helicopter. Caution for the battery. You got spare parts here, like a little blade and a rear prop. Nice user manual. You get the USB charging adapter. You just plug it into your socket and this into the bottom of the heli. Right there, boom. You get your little pretty micro, tiny helicopter there. It's got a shark on it in green. Look at that. Super cool. I think it's so small. On the bottom you have your on and off switch. Okay, so let me show you how to pair the two. So we're going to turn on the helicopter and then set it on a flat level surface like that, facing away from you. Then power on the remote. Okay, then you're going to push your throttle stick all the way up and then all the way down. Now you're bound, or you're paired. Just like so. Then you slide up on the throttle stick, it'll start the motors. If you go up again, you can take off manually, down to stop the motors. And that's about all there is to it to get you up in the air. Just make sure you charge your helicopter fully first, and then have fresh batteries in your remote control to have the best range and flight times. Okay guys, would you rather have this helicopter, or would you prefer one of these coaxials like this? Let me set this aside here for a second. Can you see that? Even fit in the whole screen there. That's the Vivitar Air Rover Jumbo RC helicopter. Let me get that out of the box. I found this over at Ollie's. Okay, so you get the large helicopter, have the light on the front. This is where the battery plugs together. You have the on and off switch here. Your coaxial rotors and your tail rotor. All brushed motors. You have your 2.4 gigahertz transmitter. Slide that center button up, or switch up, and there you go. Push the throttle all the way up, all the way down. And that's how you bind it. Let me do this again with the helicopter turned on. So you plug it in, just like so. So it snaps. There's a clip there that locks together. And you turn this on, same with the small. Same as with the small one. Set it on a flat level surface. You get the user manual. You get a spare blade, one spare blade and one spare rear blade. Okay, so to pair the two, you just turn it on and then you throttle up and all the way down. Okay, now we paired. So to take off, I should be able to just slide up on the throttle, just like the little one. And then just keep going until she takes off. And then down to stop it. And then with this one, same thing, 3.5 channel. Up with the left stick is to take off, down is to land, or to lower the vehicle. Forward on the right side is to go forward, down is to go backward. Left is to spin left, and right is to spin right. Okay, there we have it. All right, guys, thanks for watching this part of the video. Be sure to leave me a comment and let me know which one you would prefer, the big or the little. Things so tiny versus extra large. So don't forget to leave me a comment. Thank you very much. Stay tuned. We're gonna fly both of these in here in my living room just briefly. And soon I'll try to get some outside videos, but we've got some really stormy weather right now, making the transition into some warmer weather. So it'll get good here soon. But, all right, guys, here we go. I'll be right back. Give me 1 second.